you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Simply Earth. Do you want to see what kind of recipes are inside January's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is Simply Earth for January 2020. That is so weird to say. I cannot believe how fast 2019 came and gone. Now we're in 2020. This is my first box for this new year, and I'm kind of excited to see what we're going to be making in here. And yes, so I hope you all have a wonderful 2020 and it brings you wonderful memories, new beginnings, and anything that your little heart desires. I hope you have an amazing 2020, and I hope amazing things happen for everybody this year. That's what I hope. That's my New Year's resolution, that everybody has an amazing 2020 and it's better than last year. So let's go ahead and get in here. I do have Cheryl from Who Dat who packaged my box yet again. I think she's pretty much the same face that is on all my boxes. Maybe one other time I had another face or nothing at all, but I always have that crazy looking woman right there. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what January brings us. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. And then inside are the cards, the oils, and all of the good stuff. So let's go ahead and see. We do have this little bottle this time. And then we also have an avocado oil. And then there is this spray bottle that they've included as well. So there's something we're going to be making with the spray bottle, this little bottle, and then here is the avocado oil. So that's everything that is in here on the side, which gives you some of the things to use for the recipes for this month. Other things you may need to use is from the bonus box that you would receive, which I'll get into that. And there are a few items that you may have to purchase yourself, but it does show you on the cards. So let's go ahead and get into the essential oils for this month. So the first one here is Ho Wood. Ho Wood. This assists meditation, calms, cools, relieves pain, supports immune system, and it says always dilute before using it on your skin. This is kid safe for 2+, pregnancy safe, yes, cat and dog safe, use caution. So there's that one right there. And I do like that they are putting the kid and pet safe on the card to tell you if it's good to be using around them or not. So I do appreciate that they've added that to their cards now. So the next oil is this Clary Sage. This is for pain relief, circulation support, anxiety relief, hormone balance, and it says always dilute before using on your skin. This is kid safe for 2 or older. Pregnancy safe, yes. Dog and cat safe, yes. Then we have is lemon, is for uplifts, clarifies the mind, and cleans. This is safe from kids 2+. It says special dilute rate 1 to 2% or less. And pregnancy safe, yes. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. So if you have cats, don't use lemon around them. And then the last one is relief. Relief blend relieves pain and inflammation. And this right here says always dilute before using on your skin. This is kid safe for 10 and older. Pregnancy safe, no. Cat and dog safe, no. So technically there's only one that says use caution, and then there's one that's good for dogs and cats, and then the other two are not good for cats, and one is okay for dogs. So definitely pay attention to what is good or bad to be using around children or pets so everybody can stay safe while using essential oils. So that is the 4 different oils for this particular month. Now let's go ahead and see what recipes we will be making. So the first one is going to be a relief roll-on, and it looks like everything you need would be included between this box and the bonus box, because there's not an asterisk that tells you need to purchase anything. This just uses the drops and coconut oil from the bonus box, and then the roll-on from the bonus box. And then you can make your relief roll-on. Next is a refresh spray. So that's probably where we're going to be using that little spray bottle. So there is the instructions on this one. And this says that It takes 2 minutes to make. Shelf life is 6 weeks. They're doing shelf life now. That's awesome. The roll-on, the shelf life is 1 year and it takes 2 minutes to make. This is 6 weeks shelf life. You will need distilled water. You will need witch hazel, which is optional. You don't have to use that. And then everything else should be included between the 2 boxes on that one. Next we have is a relax and detox foot bath. So there will be the instructions to make this particular recipe. And this one, it looks like it takes 1 minute and the shelf life is for 3 months. You're going to be using Epsom salt, and you'll need an 8 to 10 ounce jar or similar container, and everything else you should have between the 2 boxes. So now we have is a meditation diffuser blend. This is 1 minute, 2 years shelf life, and everything is included with the blends of the oils. Then you have a relief massage oil. This takes 2 minutes and it's 2 years shelf life. And it looks like you will have everything that you need to make that. And then the last recipe included in this month's recipe box is Circulation Boost Body Butter. And this takes 10 minutes plus 1 hour of cool time. Estimated shelf life is 3 months. This one you will need to buy a 6 to 8 ounce jar or sealable container unless you have one already. And then everything else should be definitely included. There is the recipe right there. And then this one finishes on the back with the instructions. Now they also do give this, which I really do appreciate, because this is what you put it on. So like, for example, whatever you make inside here, you take the matching recipe name and you could put it on it. So whenever you have all these little bottles around, you know what is included. They also do put the essential oils by themselves. So if you make your own blend and you want to know what's in them, you can add that sticker to the actual container. So I do really like that. Plus here's like the roll-on, and this will roll around the whole entire thing, and it has like the roll-on and it has directions and ingredients and everything on there. So I do like that they have revamped their stickers and added extra information, but they've always had like the name so you can at least see what is inside by just the label on the outside. So I do appreciate that. So here is the labels for this particular month. You're ending modern day slavery. This month in purchasing this box, you are working with Call to Freedom to end human trafficking. Call to Freedom is on the front lines supporting survivors of human trafficking with the care they need on the path to freedom. They provide emergency assistance, support needed, and offer long-term services so that survivors can be self-sufficient. Thank you for making a difference. They always donate 13% to end human trafficking. Just depends on which organization they're working with for that particular month. So this month they are working with Call to Freedom, which is an amazing cause. And I love when boxes donate and give back, especially to help end human trafficking, because that is something that definitely does need to come to an end. Now, sometimes they tell us a tip for next month. Let me see if we have that. So this month's theme is winter wellness. This doesn't tell me what next, sometimes they'll give you a card and tell you what to expect in next month's box, but I don't see that. I don't see, unless I'm missing it, I don't see any like a spoiler for next month, but maybe they just didn't include it this time. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about Simply Earth, I do have a coupon code. It's called She Crafty Free. With She Crafty Free, you not only get a $40 bonus gift card to use at a different time, but you also get a free bonus box. That bonus box is what is going to help you along the way with making these recipes. So again, they'll give you everything for that month, and they might need to coincide with some of the products or items that are in the bonus box. So you get that bonus box for free, plus you get a free $40 gift card that you can use on a future purchase. This box is only $39 per month. So the $40 you get back is even more. So basically you get your first month for free if you look at it that way, plus the free bonus box and an extra $1. Holla! Now, they always send you 4 essential oils and natural ingredients. It's $150 value every month for $39. You get to make 6 recipes, and they give you these cards with the simple instructions that you get to see and read. And if you have any questions, you can go to their forums and you can see them actually make each individual one. If you have any questions or doubts, you can definitely watch them make them every single month as well. So if you are into essential oils or you would like to get into essential oils, this is a good box because it gives you the tools, the knowledge, and everything to make 6 new recipes every single month. They go off of a theme, and every recipe in that box is based on a specific theme. Sometimes they'll just do all kids month. Sometimes there's all pet month. So everything would be included to work around animals and with dogs and stuff like that. So, I mean, I really do like this company. I like what they stand for. I like that they give back. I like how they curate their boxes and how they give you all the tools and knowledge to do it. They're not just sending you and I always tell you guys this, they're not just sending you essential oils and they're like, have fun, figure it out. Nope. They give you all of the cards, and you can keep these cards if you ever want to go back and make them again. This is just simple. They give you everything. So I do appreciate this company. That's why I keep bringing it back to show you guys. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Simply Earth, for sending me this to show my viewers your amazing essential oil recipe box. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have any questions or comments or anything, please leave them down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate that, just like I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you so much for tuning into this month's box, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.